Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best Canon cameras in 2026. If you want stunning image quality, advanced autofocus, and professional level video performance, these Canon cameras are some of the best options you can buy right now. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera Kit is a compact and versatile camera package designed for beginners, content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts. Featuring a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and the RFS 18 to 45mm lens, it delivers sharp, vibrant images and impressive low-light performance for everyday photography and travel. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording, making it an excellent choice for high-quality vlogs, YouTube content, and cinematic footage. With dual-pixel CMOS AF2, it provides fast, accurate autofocus with intelligent subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring consistently sharp results. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it easy to shoot from creative angles, capture selfies, and record videos with confidence. This kit also includes a shoulder bag for convenient transport and a 64GB memory card so you can start shooting right out of the box. Combining portability, advanced autofocus, and excellent image quality, the Canon EOS R50 is an outstanding all-around camera for both photography and video creation. Number 2. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera is an affordable and user-friendly camera designed for beginner photographers, students, and content creators looking to step up from smartphone photography. Equipped with a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and the versatile RFS 18 to 45mm f/4.5, 6.3 IS STM lens, it captures sharp, detailed images with beautiful background blur and excellent low-light performance. The camera supports 4K video recording, making it ideal for creating high-quality videos, vlogs, and social media content. Its advanced dual-pixel CMOS autofocus provides fast and accurate focusing for both photos and videos, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow you to easily transfer images and control the camera remotely using a compatible smartphone. Lightweight, compact, and easy to operate, the Canon EOS R100 is an excellent entry-level mirrorless camera that delivers impressive image quality and reliable performance for everyday photography, travel, family memories, and creative projects. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera with the RF 24 to 105mm f/7.1 IS STM lens is a premium full-frame hybrid camera designed for photographers, videographers, and content creators who demand exceptional performance in both stills and video. Equipped with a 24.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, it delivers stunning image quality, excellent low-light performance, and a wide dynamic range for professional-looking results. The camera captures crisp 4K UHD video with advanced recording features, making it ideal for filmmaking, vlogging, live events, and commercial content creation. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system provides lightning-fast autofocus with intelligent subject detection and tracking for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring consistently sharp images and smooth video. The versatile RF 24 to 105mm IS STM lens covers everything from wide-angle landscapes to portraits and everyday photography, while in-body image stabilization, high-speed continuous shooting, and a durable, weather-resistant design make the EOS R6 Mark II a reliable choice for travel, sports, wildlife, weddings, and professional multimedia production. Number 4. Canon PowerShot SX740. The Canon PowerShot SX740 digital camera is a compact and travel-friendly point-and-shoot camera that combines impressive zoom capabilities with excellent image quality, making it ideal for beginners, travelers, and everyday photographers. Featuring a 20.3 MP CMOS sensor and a powerful 40x optical zoom lens, it captures sharp, detailed photos of everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects with ease. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording, allowing you to create high-resolution videos, while its built-in image stabilization helps reduce blur for smoother handheld shooting. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can quickly transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or share them on social media. This 4-piece bundle includes a 64GB SD memory card, a padded carrying case for convenient protection during travel, and a microfiber cleaning cloth to keep the lens and screen spotless. Compact, versatile, and easy to use, the Canon PowerShot SX740HS is an excellent choice for vacations, family events, wildlife, and everyday photography. Number 5. Canon EOS RP Full-Frame Mirrorless. The Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless camera with the RF24 to 105mm f/7.1 IS STM lens is a compact, lightweight, and versatile camera designed for travel, vlogging, and everyday photography. Featuring a 26.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, it delivers outstanding image quality, rich colors, excellent low-light performance, and beautiful background blur for professional-looking photos. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording, making it ideal for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers, while dual-pixel CMOS autofocus provides fast, accurate focusing for sharp stills and smooth video capture. The versatile RF24 to 105mm IS STM lens covers everything from wide-angle landscapes to portraits and close-up shots, making it an excellent all-purpose lens. Built with an intuitive interface, a fully articulating touchscreen, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy wireless sharing, the Canon EOS RP is an excellent choice for beginners, enthusiasts, and professionals seeking a portable full-frame camera with impressive photo and video capabilities. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camera and tech buying guides. Thanks for watching.